Mr. Silver 9759. Gonna kick it, pick up Roosy61. Yeah, it's pretty dark out. Yeah, we're gonna go see some old parks here. I don't know if we can get in or not, but we'll ask. Yeah, we had an accident right by the house just a little bit ago. Two dogs, big Great Danes or something, ran across the road. Dude sideswiped them and think he hit them or something. I don't know, but hope not. All right, catch you later. We get there. It's gonna be about an hour out, so. Alright, catch you later. Happy hunting. 759. We can go hunting yet, but show you some of these beehives. Supposed to be the largest beehive coke ovens in the United States, I guess. And yeah, these are pretty cool, man. It's pretty cold out here, though. Jesus. Yeah, these are pretty neat. Yeah, they used to throw coal in there and refine it to coke. These are 1866. They do use them till like 1942 or something like that. I don't think you can go Militech in here. Jesus. These are pretty big. Whole line of coke ovens. A bunch of them up there, all the way down in there. This bridge is slippery. Yeah, some of these. Some on this side. Got the roosters over there crowing. I think this is the baseball field. We've been here before. I wish the farmer had that cornfield cut down. We was going to go in there. We found a lot of cans in there, a couple rings. Yeah, she's crowing around, man. They only have their own house, man. Farm country out here. Old town, man. Alright, catch you later. We walked in the park, first hole. I see shiny. 41. I think that's shiny, man.
Looks shiny from here, it ain't red.
Yeah, maybe 51 or something.
Ain't red.
Yep, ain't red. It's a 51 plane. Yep. It's a piece of shit, man. It's a bubblegum ring. That's pretty neat, though. A little stone in it. It's one of the older ones. Damn, son. Yeah, look at that. Let's spread it off and see. number 42, but it's 1989 Canadian dime. It sure looks like it though. Alright. And then been out all day. I got one silver dime, one wheat. I thought it was another silver dime. That's a 1998 Canadian little bubblegum ring. Found that in the other park. 2 sunglasses, a Batman and another lady's sunglass. 11 nickels, 4 quarters, 16 pennies, 3 dimes. Rosie got 2 wheats and 1 whole. And Lincoln sitting on his ass. 4 nickels, 3 dimes, 7 pennies, and a little girl here with ponytails. Alright. See you next time. Happy hunting.